Half pound of frozen slices meat. Half pound of salt vegetable, also known as yellow vegetable. Yellow vegetable is rich in nutrition. A lot of people haven't eaten half-they. Both of them are frozen and should be thawed first. Cut the vegetable with scissors after thawing. It is easier to cut it with scissors than with a knife. Put the meat stuffing and yellow vegetable into a large bowl. Add half a tablespoon of salt. Stir well. I operate with one hand, cook with my right hand and make a video with my left hand. Please give me a like. Add a spoonful of soy sauce. Then mix it with a spoon. All the technical content of this dish is here. It's just stirred well. You can use a spoon without chopsticks. I will introduce 100 simple and easy to cook microwave dishes. Welcome you to follow the subscription. Give a like please. This effect will be fine. It took a minute before and after. Beat to more eggs. The first time to beat eggs with one hand. The second one was crushed too hard, haha. Lucky, it looks like a note, cute. Prick the egg yolks with a toothpick. This is very important. Don't break the egg yolks, the eggs will explode in the microwave. I repeat it 3 times, you must take this step. Put the bowl in the microwave. If the microwave is set into medium level heat, it must be good. If you use high level fire, the meat will become jerky. After about 15 minutes, I smelled the aroma. This means it is done. With rice. This dish is super simple and delicious. It is suitable for beginners. You can try it. The meat is very tender and tasty. It's so delicious, 太好吃啦！